that's going to be doing, being able to do this. A smaller setup, I think it'll be about 500,000 rounds a day. This one's a bit larger.
How many a day here?
About 800 if it runs full.
Oh, I see.
Yeah, we're running about 600 a day pretty comfortably right now. 600, 700. We did 14 million rounds last month, so yeah, it's about there. But we can get it up to about 17 million rounds a month.
Okay. Wow.
So, and this side, of course, it's rimfire.
Right. It's extremely popular, but it is what it is.
Yeah, it's all caliber mostly, but we still make a little bit of money. This is our packing area. We design these packing machines ourselves, so they put it on the plate goes in, gets nipped in the hot wax, comes out, boxed and packaged. We do this here. We're not going to do it in the U.S. We'll probably never build rimfire in the United States. I mean, 22 LR.
Right.
22 Magnum we load, but we'll never prime it there either.
Reason?
EPA,
Oh,
OSHA.
too many standards.
Yeah.
I get it.
I mean, if we were set up like Federal and Winchester and Remington, where they did it, 60, 70 years ago.
They've been grandfathered in for years, yeah. Right.
They've had no choice but to keep on going in the United States. I don't, there's certain things I want to build in the U.S. and there's certain things where I'm looking at them, it's like, I will never want to touch it.
Right.
Rimfire is one. I don't mind making brass, bullets, loading, firearms in the United States.